Hello guys, so this is my first video for this series of video that I would like to present about the current development of my simulator slash game that I am implementing using C++ and of course using Visual Studio and Direct2D and AMP, Accelerate Massive Parallelism, and of course and using some PPL and stuff. So I started this project. It was like 2019, in May 2019, after I watched a video about Box 2D. It was a very cool that video, and then this kind of I'm gonna say inspired me to start to implement this software in order to study, to use this time to study as well, and also to enhance my C++ techniques and so on. And one thing on that time that really impressed me, it was that Box2D is very light and very fast. And then why not do some bigger with that? And then now I am here 1 year after, and then I call this simulator slash game as FleetCommander. It's of course it's in a work in progress, and as this is the first video, I would like to show some highlights because actually I need to stop and also this entire work I did in my spare time, and I need to stop my development because I was needing a graphic user interface. Uh, Talking with some friends that I have, they advised me to use like some graphical user interface already available in the internet, but later on I discovered that I would need some learning curve for that, but and then I said why not, and then I stopped it to my development here for this project, and then I started to do my own graphical user interface. And then I have this that you can see I have some controls here in my in the screen, that those controls are fixed in the screen. I have this combo buttons, I have these combo check buttons here, and some regular button, and of course some windows, and those windows we can drag, and also we can collapse the window, we can close the window, and later on we can open, and everything implemented in the top of this main canvas of Direct2D. So this is an example. There's a lot of stuff here, of course, and in those videos I will try to explain everything. So the first thing here, it is important, it is about this back canvas. So I have the back canvas, and in the top of the back canvas I have the windows and the other controls. And this is my first approach of transport, a small transport or a yacht, maybe we can call like that. And then we can see some controls here. We can see like the thrusters, we can see the generator power, we can see the antenna, the circular radar, the fixed radar. We can see like the tank of power. This maybe can be changed, the tank of fuel, and the tower where you can have this projection of the glass of the tower. This will change how the signatures and the targets are being uh, translated and processed. So this is the second video. I just made the first one about only the show of the frigate, and later on I am planning to show the progress. So here I have this video with the integration of the radar and the ship, and you can see I just push down, and then we can see that it was detecting some signatures here. I can change this for targets because A target is a collection of signatures, and signature is just ray casting because the radar sends ray casting, and if detects if something bounce, and then produces a signature. And then later on, I have a process to um, like add all those signatures and try to detect if all the signatures will translate in one target, because if you have two objects together and then we have a lot of signatures together, and then this how my in my because I in this shape I will show later, I have a lot of small computers, and those small computers has of course some job to do, and the computer targeting will receive all the signatures generated by all the radars, and then we'll try to discriminate what is a target and what is another target. Okay, so here we can see that we have a signature down, and let's go down. Look at the background. This background is randomly but persisted. It means that the positions of the stars will be persisted. Later on I will talk more about this star map, and I have of course some blur here. It is generated using simplex noise. Okay, so I have here some objects, some bodies, and we can see the signatures here, or we can see the targets. That it is the same. Those squares are the same here that we are seeing here. Okay, so this is my first video, and I really would like to share with you guys the progress of this project that is giving me a lot and a lot of pleasure to do. So thank you very much. My name is Leo, and we see you next time. Bye bye.